I just got a ton of new packages full of fidget toy samples, so I'm really excited to open them up with you. Let's see what's inside. I came prepared this time with scissors. Ooh, something Pop It related. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is cute. It looks like an exact keyboard. Oh my goodness, it even has a space bar. Okay, let's see how it pops. So this side sounds like a quiet side. Let's flip it over and pop over those same ones. That has a good pop to it. This is cute. It's beautiful. A fidget pen. So this rolls, this clicks. This is an actual pen, so that clicks like a normal pen. So you can like push it and pull down, and then push it and push up. This is really nice. I really like it. And it comes in a really like classy black box. Very cool. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I am obsessed with butterflies. With their gigantic butterfly poppers. I'm literally so excited right now. These are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do this one first. That sounds good. That's satisfying. I'm gonna flip it over. Ooh, this side's even louder. But honestly, both sides were good. The first side sounded good too. Wow, this is my new favorite. I love it so much. Oh, that's an amazing pop. Listen. Okay, that sounded so good. This side's a little hard to push down. I don't like when it is so hard, but it's still fun. The one side's really good. And it's so beautiful. There's a phone case. I'll have to try after I'm done recording. They're so cute. They pop good too. Ooh. This is a really soft material that the other poppers don't sound like, they don't feel that soft. This feels like silky. And then since we're on poppers, I have color change poppers too, which I'm really excited. So when we take it outside, it should change colors. Let's do that right now. First, I'm gonna do the butterfly because I love butterflies. You already know. Okay, ready? Oh, it turned a beautiful purple, like a really deep purple with some pink on the side. Oh, I love that. So pretty. A unicorn. Next up. Hi, Bella. You want belly rubs? Belly rubs for Bella. Bella loves belly rubs. Here's my puppy. Guess how, she's not really a puppy, she's a dog. Guess how old Bella is in the comments. It's so vibrant. It's pink, blue, and purple, just like the octagon we just looked at. These look amazing. Turns out I said I had 4, but 2 of them are butterflies. So I'm just gonna take the butterflies out at the same time and see if they change colors or if they're the same. They look the same to me, like purple that turns into pink, but they're honestly so beautiful. I love butterflies. Now let's go on a tour to my butterfly garden. Okay, and this is my butterfly garden. Whew. Let's see if we see any butterflies. There's one. Did you see it? But this is all their favorite foods. Right there, right there, right there. You see it? Isn't it stunning? Let's see. 2 butterflies on the flowers right now. Here's one. They go so fast. Once they start flying, it's hard to catch them. Okay, Matt says this is how you actually use the pen. Okay, so this is something exciting. We're gonna do like a collaboration or like special limited edition slimes with Peachy Babies. So these are the samples, like we get to pick what slime we want. Okay, purple and blue are my favorite colors, and everything in my shop is holographic. So like if you look at our packaging, everything's holographic. So these are gonna, I'm not sure if I wanna pick a pink or a blue, but I'm definitely gonna have like holographic in it. So let's feel, oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, how do I do this without making a mess? Okay, look at the pretty sparkles in it. So cute, let me smell it. Reminds me of a cereal. What cereal does this remind you of? Definitely smells like a cereal I've smelled.
Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles. Okay, Matt brought Fruity Pebbles, so I'm going to see if it smells the same. Oh yeah. Smell it, Matt. What do you think?
Yep.
It's almost like a Fruity Pebbles scent. Okay, let's try the blue stuff. Okay, there we go. I like the blue with the holographic, like the purple holographic. It gives me like the blue and the purple in the same. So I like that. What do you think this smells like? Smell it.
Blueberries.
Blueberries. You're so good at scents. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, this is my favorite. Oh, I like it. Okay, I like this one. Look, there's sprinkles in it. It has sprinkles. What scent do you think it should smell like? Let me know in the comments what scent you want it to smell like. Okay, I see people with their slime and then they do like this. Oh, this one's satisfying. I like this slime. Okay, good. Okay, so I went to my P.O. box and there were 2 letters in it, one from Allie and one from Julia. I'm so excited, and they both had little stickers on the front, which is so cute. I'm gonna open the bigger one first. You're reading this for the first time with me. Miss Bench, can you please do Pea Popper and Mini Poppet, please? My username is Julia, and she put her TikTok username, thank you, Mrs. Bench. I think she wants a Pea Popper and a Mini Poppet. I will take that into consideration. Let's look at the next one. Okay. Aw, it says to Mrs. Bench from Leah. And it has this beautiful card that says thank you so much. And then when you open it up, such a good job of folding it. This is so cute. Okay. Dear Mrs. Bench, I am a Fidget account. I like to watch your videos. I am 10, about to be 11 in July on the 2nd. That's this week. Well, you are amazing. Keep doing what you do, and happy 4th of July. I am so grateful to have you as my favorite Fidget TikToker. I would be very sad if you quit making videos. We'll have a good day. Ignore the haters. This is my TikTok, Fidget Inc. 2. Everyone should go follow Fidget and then a period Inc. 2. This is amazing. Thank you so much for writing this letter. It put a huge smile on my face. Okay, I got a package. It has Fidget toys. Let's see what's inside. Super excited. It's a gigantic poppet. Let me see if there's anything else inside of here. Oh, cute. Lots of dimples. It's a really good pop. Oh, these are so pretty. This is my biggest popper so far. Okay, I'm gonna pop a couple and then flip it over and just do this row on the other side. Very nice. I love it, it's so pretty. Okay, I also wanted to take a minute real quick and show you all of the new poppets that we got in the shop. So I'm really excited. Look at this adorable polar bear. So cute. And this beautiful, I mean, it's so beautiful, peacock. This is probably my favorite because I think it's just stunning. Okay, this adorable lemon. This super cute, this one's huge, look. Compared to my hand, it's bigger than my hand. Avocado. I love this strawberry. Look, it has little seeds on it. Like the details are so cute. Okay, this adorable baseball. Also have a football. Look at the, what are those called? Strings on a football?
Laces.
Laces. I thought they were strings. Laces on a football. Volleyball, that was my favorite sport growing up. I think this one's really cute. It has all these individual rows. Look at this fighter plane, fighter jet. Oh, something really cool about this is all the poppets are different sizes. So it's like these are bigger, this one's smaller. I thought that was kind of fun. So very cool. This like double-decker hamburger. This is definitely like a double cheeseburger. It's gigantic. An adorable sheep, and it's the prettiest color of light blue. I love that light blue. And look at its cute eyes and cheeks. So cute. French fries. Love French fries. An adorable ducky. Look at his little bill. Quack, quack, quack. Okay. An adorable dinosaur. These are all so cute, I can't even take it. And look, it has one on the tail. A fishy, also a really pretty blue. It's a little darker than the sheep blue. They're both really pretty. And then this amazing crown. I love it so much, such pretty colors. So all these are now in the shop and I'm so excited. Let me know if you get any. We got a new box with samples. I'm so excited to see what it is. And this, there's so many cute things I can already see. I'm gonna wanna put a lot of this in my shop. So let's try them out and see what we like. First, I wanna try a triple dimple. I love this pattern. The pop's amazing. This is literally so cute. Love that. It's a little keychain. I love it so much. Oh, that's good. Okay, look at these fun colors. He looks crazy. Honestly, that's really satisfying. Okay, I am loving everything so far. This is all amazing. Look how cute he is. See if I can squish them all at the same time. Which one is, the orange one. Okay, there we go. Which one is your favorite color combination? Let me know in the comments. Wow. I like the clear in between them. A tiny little piece of candy. So good for Halloween. And look at this beautiful gold chain. That pop's really, really good. And this pattern that they are really cute. Look how cute this pattern is. I love it. Super cute. And it comes in like blue and pink. And then also purple, blue, green. These are really, really, really cute. Let's see how it pops. Oh yeah, pretty good. That's a really good pop. Okay. I'm not a big fan of fidget spinners. I know a lot of people have like dimple fidget spinners, but I'm not a big fan. I just don't like fidget spinners in general. Ooh, these are cute. And the package, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my goodness, it's literally so soft. I've never felt a softer noodle. These feel really nice. I was like not 100% sold until I felt them, but but now I just want to feel them all day. We're thinking about changing, so I don't know if you know, but our DNA balls right now are like super colorful, and we're gonna change them just to kind of like playing around the idea of changing them just to like do something different. So this is like kind of my favorite colors, like the logos. All my logo stuff is always like blue, teal, purplish. So I'm thinking about changing my DNA ball. So this is a sample, and it feels amazing. It feels so good. I love it. So look out for that change in the shop. Our current DNA balls are going to be changed really soon. I have been wanting these for so long, but we test all of our products before we put them in the shop. So I always have to get a sample to make sure that like it's actually a good product and that it has a good pop and that it's well made. So I've been waiting. It exceeds my expectations. It is so ridiculously cute and the pop is incredible. That's amazing. This is really, 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 really good. I'm so happy. And they're so cute. Okay, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. Like, just look how adorable this is. Just look at it. Okay, let's try it. Yes. Oh, it's so good. And it's so cute. Hello, I would like to buy some Fidgets from Fidget Toys Plus, please. I love it so much. It's so cute. It's numbers. So how cute is this? So it's good for like a birthday party. Like if you wanted to buy and give someone their age, that'd be cute. Or like for like younger kids, because they could practice their counting. How cute. It has all the numbers. It also has like a multiplication sign. Or that could be a plus sign. Depends on how you hold it. Division sign. This is so cute. Okay, so I got another package that I don't know exactly what's in it. I can see that it's Tangles, but I'm excited to open it up and see what kind of Tangles. How cute. This looks like a book. Learning with Brain Tools. Aha. Here's a little mini Tangle. Looks like it's green and purple. There's this one. This one. It says, oh, this is fun. A really big Tangle. Let's see what this is. And then these were the other one, just in another color combination. Excited about this big Tangle. This will be the biggest Tangle I've had. Awesome. I like this. Now I can say I have a super big Tangle. Okay, we got 2 bags full of samples. They're fidget toys, but I don't know what's inside of them. So let's see. This is pop. Oh, the popper game. We have a butterfly, lots of butterflies. I love butterflies. They're my favorite. I have a butterfly garden in the back of my yard. And an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, octo means 8. An octagon. Oh, they're the anime spinners. Oh my gosh. You do it really fast and you can't see anything at all. I thought they would look like they were running.
Yeah.
It's like a little astronaut. This is super anime. I don't know what this is. There's a red one and a blue one. So cute! Okay, I've never tried one of these, so I'm like super excited to see what they feel like.
Is it a popper or is it like a
I don't
snapper?
really know, but it's so cute. This color combination is my favorite. I don't know, kind of like a popper, kind of not. And then let's see. You could flip them inside out, so it's definitely reversible. Here's an all teal one. Okay, thanks for opening my sample packages with me. This was my personal favorite. But if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.